Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the tax filing deadline is drawing near. Let's get into the video. As a reminder to those who have not yet filed their 2021 tax returns, April 18 is the due date to either file a return and pay the taxes owed or file an automatic extension and pay an estimate of the taxes owed. The due date is April 18 instead of April 15 because of the Emancipation Day holiday in the District of Columbia. Even if you do not live in DC, if you live in Maine or Massachusetts, the filing due date is April 19, 2022 because of the Patriots Day holiday in those states. Caution should be exercised when preparing the extension application, which is IRS Form 4868. Even though this form is described as automatic, the extension is automatically granted only if it is a reasonable estimate of the 2021 tax liability and only if that anticipated liability is paid along with the extension application. It is not uncommon for taxpayers to enter zero as the estimated tax liability without figuring the actual estimated amount. These taxpayers risk the IRS classifying their forms as having been improperly completed, which in turn makes the extensions invalid. If you need an extension, please contact a tax professional so that they can prepare a valid extension for you. The extension must be filed in a timely manner. File your extension electronically before the due date and have any amount owed withdraw from your bank account because the IRS is so backed up opening mail. I do not recommend the payment be made by mail, but if you do decide on mailing an extension, be advised that the envelope with the extension form must be postmarked on or before April 18 due date. However, there are inherent risks associated with dropping an extension form in a mailbox. For instance, the envelope might not be postmarked in a timely fashion. Thus, those who have estimated tax due should mail the extension forms using registered or certified mail so as not to risk late filing penalties. In addition, the April 18 deadline also applies to the following: balance due payments for the 2021 tax year. Be aware that Form 4868 is an extension to file, not an extension to pay. The IRS will assess late payment penalties with interest on any balance due, even when the extension has been granted. Taxpayers who anticipate having a balance due need to estimate this amount and include payment for that balance, either along with the extension request or electronically by this through the IRS website. Contributions to a Roth or traditional IRA for the 2021 tax year. April 18, 2022 is the last day for 2021 contributions for either a Roth or traditional IRA. Form 4868 does not provide an extension for making IRA contributions. Individual estimated tax payments for the first quarter of 2022. The first installment of the 2022 estimated tax payment is due on April 18, 2022. If you make estimated tax payments and did not file the first installment on or before April 18, 2022, then that payment is late and you should file it as soon as possible to mitigate any penalties. Individual refund claims for the 2018 tax year. The regular 3-year statute of limitation expires for the 2018 tax return on April 18th of this year. Thus, no refund will be granted for 2018 return, originally or amended, that is filed after April 18, 2022. Taxpayers could risk missing out on the refundable earned income tax credit, the refundable American Opportunity Tax Credit for college tuition, and the refundable child credit for the 2018 tax year if they do not file before the statute of limitation ends. Caution: the statute does not apply to balances due for unfiled 2018 returns. If you or your company needs help with preparing your tax return, feel free to contact me. My contact information is listed below in the description of the video. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.